Starting a YouTube channel in your 50s is both exciting and daunting. So what do? Hi, my name is Sarah C. Welcome to Crafty Old Me. If you're new to my channel, I'm all about crafting. I was born to craft. I was born to do this. I offer step-by-step tutorials on how to make things, how to decorate things, and sharing my creative insights with you. How did I get started at my age? So in between regular jobs, I spent many years running different creative businesses like cake decorating, floral designs, all kinds of handmade stuff. You name it, I've done it. Honestly though, putting myself on here for everyone to see, I was terrified of joining a big, huge platform as YouTube, considering it is dominated by younger creators. I've had many heartfelt conversations with my daughter-in-law, who I have to say has been a massive, huge encouragement and inspiration to me. Many of you might already know her. She is here on YouTube. She is known as Elusive Rabbit. If you don't, definitely check her out. I'll pop a link below. Without her nudging and support, I'd probably still be on the fence. So I swallowed my nerves and my anxiety, gathered up the courage to give this a go. So here I am, and it is all thanks to her. Love you, Cheryl. If you have any questions or any ideas of what you'd like to see on my channel, pop it in the comment box below, because I'd love to hear from you.